Welcome to Guru Crypto Garage. Today, we are going deep into a project that is not just part of the AI boom, it is fueling it. Meet Render Network. Let us get it started. Render is like Uber, but for unused GPU power. Artists, AI developers, creators, they all tap into a global GPU network. It is cheaper, faster, and decentralized. Forget those crazy AWS and Google bills. With Render, you get worldwide GPU power on demand for a fraction of the cost. Render Network is not just another crypto project. It is building the decentralized GPU economy of the future. Who is behind it? Jules Urbach, the founder and CEO of OTOI. The people behind Octane Render. Partnerships, Apple, NVIDIA, Blender, and more. This is not some random startup. It is Silicon Valley and Hollywood teaming up. When companies like Apple and NVIDIA are in your corner, you are onto something big. Let us talk tokenomics. Render uses a burn-mint equilibrium model. You pay to render something, those tokens get burned. New tokens get minted only to reward GPU providers. So the more the network is used, the scarcer Render becomes. The basics are simple. It runs on Solana and Ethereum. The total supply ranges between 532 million to 644 million. Circulating supply is between 369 million and 518 million. Market cap, roughly $2.85 billion. More rendering jobs mean fewer tokens floating around. That is how you set up real scarcity. Now for the tech. Render is not standing still. Neural rendering, AI model training, deep integrations with Blender, Arnold, and Octane. Plus, every job is verified transparently on the blockchain. Render is not just decentralizing compute. They are future-proofing the entire GPU economy. Roadmap time. Major wins already include migrating to Solana and a 300% growth in active nodes. Up next, launching the Render Compute Network to expand into AI and machine learning compute tasks. More integrations with AI platforms like Manifest AI and Think Agents. Growing partnerships with creative industry giants. Preparing for DePIN sector expansion, and onboarding more real-world businesses that need decentralized GPU power. Bottom line, these guys deliver. No vaporware. What about the community? It is strong. Artists, traders, influencers like Beeple. Sure, price moves up and down, but faith in Render's mission is real. Real adoption. Real users. Real-world value. Competition? Let us break it down head-to-head. Render Network versus Akash Network. Akash is great at offering general decentralized compute, but it is built more for developers and Web3 apps. Not for artists or AI creators. Render specializes in creative industries. Akash is a Swiss Army knife. Render is a sniper rifle. Render Network versus Golem. Golem was one of the first decentralized compute platforms. Props for being early. But it is outdated for today's heavy AI and 3D rendering needs. Golem is flexible but slow to innovate. Render is agile and has real industry partnerships. Render Network versus AWS and Google Cloud. AWS and Google Cloud have all the hardware in the world, but they are expensive, centralized, and you get no ownership. Render flips the model. It gives people cheaper access and node operators real ownership through Render tokens. Bottom line, other platforms are either too generic or too expensive. Render dominates its specific high-value niche. Let us hit risks quickly. Regulations could get messy. Solana still has occasional network issues, but so far Render is clean and adapting smartly. Stay one step ahead of regulators or get flattened. Render is playing it smart. Price predictions? Let us go. If crypto hits $10 trillion and Render holds its current market share, we are looking at around $25 per token. If it doubles its dominance, $54. If it loses half, about $13. Not magic, straight math. Black Swan events? Here's what could hit hard. A major Solana outage. A heavy-handed AI regulation crackdown. A major security breach. Or massive GPU supply chain issues. Even the best projects need to watch the skies. Final verdict. Render scores an 8.8 out of 10. Killer tech. Killer partnerships. Killer future. If GPUs are the gold of the AI era, Render is the decentralized goldmine. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. It really helps keep all of this going and lets us bring you even more deep dives like this. Stay ahead of the herd. See you in the next one.